How can people redefine meaning of everyday objects? What would a table be like if it had a new creature pushing and moving objects around its surface? We developed MoleBot, a mole robot which lives in a coffee table to redefine the meaning of everyday objects. The MoleBot makes a molehill on the table surface. As the MoleBot moves around in the table, the molehill follows the movement simultaneously. First of all, we transformed a 700 by 700 mm table surface into a tessellation of 1500 small hexagonal pins. We designed a mole-shaped object that has the same shape as the molehill. The mole-shaped object is allocated just underneath the pins. As the mole-shaped object moves on the XY plane, the hexagonal pins create linear motion along the direction of gravitational force. We set up an XY stage underneath a bake-like sheet to actuate the mole-shaped object. The head of the XY stage has a strong neodymium magnet which pairs up with another magnet in the mole-shaped object. As a result, the movement of the XY stage can be transmitted to the mole-shaped object and then to the pins, generating a physical deformation of the table surface. MoleBot can interact with physical objects in two different ways. It can either push objects by means of the force from the mole-shaped object or pull something sensitive to magnetism with a neodymium magnet in the mole. We planted trees and flowers on the table. The MoleBot can shake them and pick up the fruits dropped from the trees. The player who harvests more fruits wins the game. We built a maze by replacing some hexagonal pins with longer pins or bigger objects. The player who can control the MoleBot to fetch a ball and place it in a specific destination in the maze most quickly wins the game. We designed a lighting system which has a depth camera that senses the movements of human body and objects and set it above the table. By using the depth camera, it is possible to interact with the MoleBot through hand motions. As a result, MoleBot can behave like a new creature following objects and hands. MoleBot is a new type of robot that can change the meaning of conventional tables. We can build a small world on the table and enjoy physical interaction between the MoleBot and objects in the real world. The MoleBot would not only be a robot but could also be a companion to us as well.